Welcome to the custom Little Bites Muffin tutorial. This is super easy to personalize with any theme or character. If you don't have the template yet, make sure to grab it. I'll leave the link in the description. Also, be sure to check out the other matching school supplies templates. Before we get started, let me quickly show you what's included in the template. First up is the design guide. This helps you understand what each shape is for. Next is the editable template, where you can change colors and designs on top of and within the shape dimensions. And lastly, you'll see a drag and drop version, perfect for adding images, patterns, or anything else you want to make it your own. We're going to head to Google and find the main image or background for the front of our bag. I want a composition notebook, so I will look for that pattern. When you find the one you want, download and head back to Canva to upload it. We're also going to find the brand's logo, but typing it in and then PNG after to ensure we get a transparent background. Now save it and also upload it into Canva. Next, I'm going to drag and drop the background or pattern into the front and sides of the bag. You can customize this how you like. After, I'm going to add a black rectangle as the spine of the notebook and place it centered between the front and the one back panel to give it the side spine effect. Now, I will find a composition notebook label. I am finding mine through Canva, but these are pro. You can search for what you'd like onto Google and save and upload from there as well. I'm going to add the logo onto the label and resize as needed. After, I will add a second label and then select the text icon, add a text box, and say whatever I want it to say. Overlay it on the label and change the font. Once everything is designed, we're going to save it. You're going to hit share. Then we are going to select it as PNG or PDF print, and then you are going to select the current page and hit download. After, we're going to print. You are going to select the page size and change it to US letter borderless. And there you have it, your custom little muffins bag. I hope the tutorials and template was helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you on your next creation.